Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I already uploaded eight videos on my YouTube channel. Okay, so first please check my YouTube channel and watch all the videos, then watch 9 day. Okay, so today we are diving into the world of the regular expression. So we also called regex in short form in the Python. Okay, regex is the powerful tool for pattern matching in the text, helping you find, extract, or manipulate specific data. So we can say, 1 minute, we can say regex checks is a tool, powerful tool for pattern matching. Pattern matching. Okay, in the text or helping find, extract, or or manipulate specific data. Specific data. Okay, so first I start VS Code because we need VS Code here. So first I start VS Code here, then I just teach again. So first of question will become in your mind, what is a regular expression? Okay, guys, wh- what is a regular expression? So a regular expression is the sequence of characters that forms a such pattern. Okay, it is used for text matching, validation, and manipulation. So example of use cases like validate an email address or extract phone numbers from the text or search for a specific word in the document. Okay. So Python regex module called RE. Okay. So I just mention library name. Python provide the module name of RE. Okay, so RE module to work with regex. So how to import? Just write simple Python import sentence import RE and you can use uh, regex. So basic function in the RE. So I can say basic function like we almost time perform four types of basic pattern. First one, minute I just yeah. So basic function in the RE dot search. Okay, only search. Then find the first occurrence of a pattern in a string. Okay. Second one RE dot find all. Okay. Find all occurrence of a pattern in the string. You can see here it only first occurrence or this for all occurrence in the pattern in the string. Okay. Then RE dot sub means replaces occurrence of a pattern with a specific string. If you want to replace something for a specific pattern or a specific string, okay, then re dot match means check if a string start with a specific pattern. So almost time basic function in re we are using these four. Okay, now we have regex sentence and patterns. Okay, so pattern means like what will be what right and what will be the description of the uh, code. Okay, so we have some pattern and description, common description. Okay, so I mention here first one is dot. So I just create a table. So hmm, so I just take a table. So first is pattern, and this left side pattern and right side description. So first of all, dot, just mention dot. So what is the meaning? It's match matches any character. Okay, any character. Then second one is this symbol. Okay, this symbol you will find out on six, number six. Okay, so this matches the start of string. If you want to check anything with start, like it start with some character or like string, you can use this symbol. Then next one is dollar sign. So this is match matches the end of end of string. So this one for ended end one, or this one for start one. So remember those. Okay, and now I have star matches zero or more. Okay, zero or more repetition of any character or any word repetitions. Okay, then we have one more like plus. So you just matches one or more repetition. Okay, just I write here, so repetition. Okay, now question mark. Question mark means matches zero or one occurrence. Okay, then we have backward slash D. It means matches any digit. Digit means 0 to 9. Then if we have backward slash W, so it's like means matches any word character. Okay, now we have one more like backward slash and S. It means matches any white space, white escapes. Okay, white space. So these are common pattern we almost time use in our Python code. So example, so suppose check if a string contain a word or not. Okay, so I just already opened my this VS Code ID, and I already written the code. Okay, so I written the code for the save the time. So I'm here, right? I love learning Python. This is my sentence, and I want to find out the Python uh, pattern in the text. If like Python is available in the text, exist in the set sentence, then it will be print match find. Otherwise, not match found. So I just run this code. You can see it will be print a match found. Suppose I just write one more word here, Python code. Then I run again this function. You can see no match found out. Okay, if I run, I just give a space here, and you can see here again not match found. Okay, so if you want to check a string contain a word or not, you just use search. Then first this search is like function, and this function take a first element a pattern, like I already mentioned in pattern, and text. Okay, now second code for like extract all digit from a string. So suppose I have a one string here, I just import. import RE. Okay, sorry. Hmm. So I just have my phone number is 123456789. Okay, and digit, I want to find out the digit, right? So you can see here, I already mentioned in our whiteboard, backward slash for digit, right? This one matches any digit. Okay, so RA dot find out means find out all the uh, digits. Okay, so you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in a list, it always written the list. Okay, so you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now third one we will be we write for code validate a email address. Okay, so how we can validate like this email ID is correct or not in a like a specific format. So I also written a code. So just import RE. Okay. So suppose user have a user at the rate pat example.com. Okay. Or you want to find out the pattern. Okay. So you can see here start. Okay. With any alphabet A to Z. Okay. A to Z means like small A to Z. Alpha letter. Okay, then alphabet letter, then you can check also capital A to Z. You can also check like 0 to 9 digit, and also like dot or star. Okay, then percentage and plus minus. Okay, now you can see I am using plus here. So I already mentioned in I already teach you na like plus y we use. So it's like match one or more repetition. You can use okay this plus sign. So go here. So you check like it will be one time or multiple time these things. Okay. So then add the rate. Add the rate like it necessary like add the rate will be exit in the uh, email address. Okay, then again A to Z and many time repetition. Okay, now you can see here I like forward slash means forward slash and dot means I already teach you now like match any character. Here any character will be available. Okay, so you can see here this, then A to Z, A to Z, then it's like maybe occur two times at least. Okay, then dollar means end with this one. Okay, after dot, at least two things, two character will be coming in necessary. Okay, here. So I just check here. You can see valid email. Valid email means like this pattern is found out in this one. Suppose I just use at the rate dot c. So you can see invalid email ID. Okay. Suppose if I don't, I use dot com, but I not use at the rate. Okay, so you can see here invalid, again it invalid. Okay, and many times, and here at the rate. Okay, to any times you can see here I just also write here .com .india, so it's validate valid invalid because it's like showing A to Z only two times. Okay, and with okay, so you can see here. Now, for is replace all the vowels with the star. If you want to write this code, you can write this. Just I want to import RE. Okay, so you can see what will be output. Output like you just replace if any word from A E I O U small or A E I O U in capital. Okay, just replace by star. So you can see P Y T H O is the vowels. So it's like replaced by star. Okay. And then N in space, then is a I means I vowels. Again, like you can see your three vowels. A again A, then I. Okay. So mini project for you, like extract phone numbers. Okay, so extract all phone numbers from the text. Okay, so just you write, I give you a text. Okay, this is text for you. This, okay, just write a program to extract number from this string, like this pattern. Output will be this one. Okay, this one. This is your print statement. Okay, so write a program and comment the code in comment. Please code your comment your code in a comment section. Okay. Now summary of today, we learned what regular expression are and why they are useful. Okay. The basic of the RE module in the Python. The common pattern and the practice example like email validation and phone number extraction. So tomorrow we will be explore like some Python object programming ops, maybe not sure. Get ready to meet classes, or if you like my video, please like the video and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. So thank you.